In this video, I'll show you how to create an account in League of Legends. Now first what you want to do is head over to leagueoflegends.com. From in here choose which server you want to be on. So let's say I'm on EU West. Then simply what you want to do is press play for free or play now. Now when you press this, you need to make a Riot account. So click create one. From in here you want to make an email. So let me just do that. Now once you've typed in your email, what you want to do is give your birth date, so just something random. Go next. Your username is your Riot ID, which will be used to log into your games. So I'll just create a random username. That. Create a password real quick. Next, next, scroll down. I agree, accept. Now once you've created your Riot ID real quick like this, then what you want to do is simply just install the game. You can do that from here, and then when you log in, you need to use your username, not your email. Use your Riot username and your password. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.